Welcome to this guided meditation. Take a moment to settle in. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and gently begin to relax. Let's take this time together to calm your mind, relax your body, and connect with your inner peace. Start by taking a deep breath in. Hold it for just a moment. And slowly exhale. Letting go of any tension. Breathe in again, slowly and deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, calm energy. And exhale, releasing any stress or worries. With every breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Let your body relax and your mind begins to settle. Let your breathing become gentle and natural, in and out, at your own pace. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the soft rhythm of your breath. Now, bring your attention to your body, starting at the top of your head. Notice any tension you might be holding. Gently release it, letting your forehead soften. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears. Feel your arms becoming heavy, relaxed. Let your hands rest comfortably in your lap or by your sides. Focus on your breath, feeling the calmness deepen with every exhale. Move your awareness down through your body, releasing any tension in your chest, stomach, and back. Feel your spine lengthen, grounding you deeper into the surface beneath you. Relax your hips, thighs, and knees. Let your calves, ankles, and feet soften. Feel the weight of your body gently sinking into relaxation. Everything is at ease, here and now. Now, imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It may be somewhere you've been before, or somewhere you'd like to be. Visualize yourself in this serene space. Maybe a quiet beach, a peaceful forest, or a calm mountain meadow. See the colors around you. The soft blues of the sky, the greens of the trees, or the golden hues of the sun. Feel the gentle breeze, the warmth or the coolness that surrounds you. Take a moment to absorb the beauty of this place. Hear the sounds around you, perhaps the birds singing, or the waves gently lapping the shore. Let yourself fully relax into this environment, knowing that this is your safe space. In this moment, you are free from worry, free from stress. You are simply present, at peace. Now, with each breath, allow yourself to sink even deeper into this state of calm. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you, to the universe around you. Know that in this moment, you're part of something greater, something peaceful, something whole. If thoughts arise, gently observe them and let them float away like clouds in the sky. You don't need to hold on to them. Simply breathe and return to the peacefulness of the present moment. Your breath is a constant anchor, bringing you back to this place of stillness. Every time, in and out, slow and steady. As you continue to breathe gently, repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your mind, these affirmations of peace and calm. I am calm. I am at peace. I am present in this moment. I am connected to my breath, to my body, and to the earth beneath me. With every affirmation, feel your body and mind becoming more relaxed, more centered, more at ease. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep, grounding breath in. Feel the energy of calm filling you up, and as you exhale, feel a sense of peace that you can carry with you throughout your day. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently stretch your body. Open your eyes when you feel ready, and take a moment to appreciate the peace you've cultivated. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you carry this tranquility with you. Namaste.